So greetings everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox one of the cheapest headphone available, and that is from the Realme. Okay, as you can see I have ordered the orange one, and yet on the box it is printed as a green, but however there is a technical mention over there that the color of the headset itself should be orange. So box is almost sealed from on the side. I have recently opened this plastic seal, although it's easy to replicate and manipulate this slider sticker, as there is no hologram or watermark kind of thing on that. Okay, so I think there is a okay. So as okay, so here we go. We have with us. So as you can see, I have perfectly received the orange color, and there is one more slight of opening over here. It contains additional buds, as well as there is a additional mic, and lengthened wire is covered in this plastic wrap. Now let us try to pop it out. Okay, so mic is around here. I think it should be jack over here. There. Yeah. Yes. It becomes quite difficult as I am holding this phone on one hand and try to wreck it out from another. So yeah, so that is pretty much it, right? Now let us check whether it okay. Yeah, so it has a magnet just as described in the box. It was delivered in the intact mode, and I'm quite happy with this delivery experience as well as unboxing. Thank you so much for watching.